Hi friends, welcome to Tech with VI. This is the part 5th of learning HTML. In previous video I have discussed how to do text formatting in HTML. In this video I am gonna discuss how to create paragraphs and headings. Without much ado, let's get into the video. I am opening VS Code.
Headings and paragraph.
I have saved the file and generated the boilerplate here.
Less body greater. Blank.
I am in blank line. First let's understand what is paragraph and how to create paragraph. Friends, when we are describing any web application or we are describing about us, that time we have to write the text in paragraph. Or when we are displaying any articles, that time we have to use the paragraph tag. Let's write the paragraph coding here. I am using p tag to write paragraph, less p greater.
P suggest list p comma property level 1.
I am pressing enter here.
Headings and paragraph.html editor as auto.
Before closing paragraph tag, I am creating one blank line.
Slash less greater less p greater blank.
Here I am writing some text.
T suggest s this space s space no headings and paragraph.html dash web p suggest list e headings and page space b suggest list r level 1 br headings and paragraph.h.
Friends, let's understand what code I have written here.
Less p greater less.
Friends, this is the opening tag, less p greater.
P greater.
After that, here I have written some text.
This is page less br greater.
This is page, this is the text.
Less slash p greater.
This is the closing tag of the paragraph.
Less
slash
p greater.
Friends, let's run this code.
Menu. Go stop live open with live headings and paragraph.html editor as autocomplete multi-line less slash p greater info colon server is started creating headings and paragraph dash Google Chrome window creating headings and paragraph. This is page.
Friends, this is page, this is the paragraph. Let's check the formatting of this paragraph. Here I am pressing insert plus F to check the formatting.
Times New Roman 12 pt black on white line left.
This paragraph has font is new Times New Roman, pixel is 12 pt, and this paragraph has default color white and yellow and white. And alignment is applied left. By defaultly alignment is applied left in whatever text you may write.
Headings and paragraph.
When we want to change the alignment of the paragraph, alignment is very important in paragraph. That time we have to use the attribute called align.
This is page less br greater less slash p greater.
I am creating another paragraph here.
Line feed. Less slash p greater blank. P suggest list p comma property level 1. Headings and paragraph greater less p greater blank.
Here I am writing some text.
HELLO hello space A T space headings and paragraph B suggest R level 1 br comma headings and paragraph.html editor as.
I have written some text here.
Less p greater.
This is the opening tag.
Hello HTML less br greater.
This is the actual text, hello HTML.
Less slash p greater.
This is the closing tag of the paragraph.
Hello less p greater.
In paragraph we have one attribute that is common in paragraph tag, that is align. By using align attribute we can change the alignment of the paragraph. Here I am writing the alignment attribute.
Less p greater.
Here I am giving one space.
P space.
Here I am writing the attribute called align.
H L I headings suggest G N. Align equals greater line feed greater quote.
Between the quotations I am giving the value. Here I am giving right. In alignment, friends, we have 4 types of values: left, right, center and justify. Left is the default value, and another 3 values, these are not default. If you want to give any value of the paragraph, that we can give here. I am giving right here.
RIGHT.
I am saving this document.
Right.
I am running the code.
Creating headings and paragraph dash Google creating headings and paragraph document creating headings and paragraph. This is page. Hello HTML. This is page.
Friend, this is page. Here I don't use any attribute.
Times New Roman 12 pt black on white line left.
This alignment is looking left side of the screen. Let's check hello HTML how this is looking.
Hello HTML. Times New Roman 12 pt black on white line right.
This text is looking right side of the screen.
Headings and
Friends, here I am creating another paragraph.
Hello HTML less slash p greater line less blank. P suggest headings and paragraph.html greater less p greater blank.
Here I am writing another some text.
List L headings O F E welcome T list headings and list E B web D suggest V O P Development space BR comma headings and paragraph dot HTML editor as auto. Less P greater.
Friends, in Hello HTML, I have given the alignment called right. Here I am giving center.
Less P greater. Less P greater. P space A L N headings and align E greater quote.
Here I am writing center. This is the one of the value in alignment.
C creating comma T E R.
I am saving.
Center.
Let's run the code.
Creating headings and paragraph. Hello HTML. Welcome to web development. Welcome to web development.
Friends, welcome to web development. How this paragraph is looking, let's understand. I am checking the formatting here.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white align center.
This text is looking center of the screen. Hello, welcome to HTML.
Welcome to web development. Times New Roman 12 PT black on white align center.
Okay, friends, I am creating another paragraph to apply justify.
Headings and
this is the last value in paragraph.
Welcome to web development. Less slash P greater line less blank. P suggest list P comma property level headings and greater less P greater blank.
Friends, here I am writing some text.
T A E E space Q lit head C K quick space B O level headings and N Browns F set level A Fox J U M P F jumps space O lit R over space H head E space head A head Y lazy space D set level G headings and paragraph dog space B suggest list B com R B R com headings and paragraph.
Okay, friends, here I have written some text.
Less P greater. The quick round fox jumps over the lazy dog. Less BR greater. Less slash P greater.
And I have closed the paragraph tag.
The quick less P greater.
Here I am giving the value called justify.
Line feet greater. P space. A suggest list. I suggest list. N headings and paragraph equals.
Align equal to in inverted commas.
Quote.
Here I am giving the value called justify.
J U S T headings and I F Y. Justify.
Let's check the output.
Creating headings and paragraph dash. Creating headings and paragraph. Welcome to web development. The quick round fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick round fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Friends, let's check the quick brown. What text here I have written. How this alignment is looking.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white align justify.
Okay, friends, this text has applied justify alignment. Friends, I have discussed
headings and paragraph.
How to create paragraph. Let's understand how to create headings. If we want to create any headings, we have to use H1 tag. H1, H2, H3, H1 to H6 we have to create headings in any web page. Try to create 3 headings only when you are designing any website or any web application. Don't use 6 headings, otherwise if you use any 6 headings, SEO will not work properly.
Less slash P greater.
Here I am pressing creating one blank line.
Line. Less slash P great blank. Less P line equals quote justify quote greater blank. Space. Less the quick round. Less slash P greater line feed. Less blank.
Here I am pressing H1.
H suggest list H1 comma property level 1.
I got the H1. I am pressing enter here.
Headings and greater less.
I am creating one blank line.
Less H1 greater blank.
Here I am writing some text.
T H T H I S this space I S space headings and A E D I headings and N suggest list head G G space L suggest list V E L level space 1 ones B R B R comma headings and paragraph dot HTML editor.
Okay, friends, let's check. Let's understand the code of the heading. How to create heading.
Less H1 greater.
This is the opening tag. Less than H1 greater than.
Less H1 greater.
This is the opening tag.
This is heading level 1 less BR greater.
Here I have written text.
Less slash H1 greater.
This is the coding tag, closing tag.
Less slash H1 greater.
Okay, friends, let's run this code.
List creating headings and paragraph dash Google Chrome new tab control plus T creating heading level 1. This is heading level 1.
Heading level 1. This is heading level 1. Friends, let's check the formatting of this heading level 1.
Times New Roman 24 PT black on white bold align left.
Friends, by default, whenever we are writing some text in HTML, that time pixel is 12 pt. But in headings, we are this pixel is showing 24 pt.
Times New Roman 24 pt black on white bold align left.
Because friends, and formatting has applied bold, alignment is by default left, and font has applied Times New Roman. This is by default, but here pixel has applied 24. Because first heading is so one of the biggest heading in headings. Let's create heading level 2 and heading level 3.
Headings and paragraph dot a less slash body greater. Less. Blank.
Here I am creating second heading.
H suggest list H2 comma prop headings slash less. Less H2 greater blank.
Here I am writing
Headings and paragraph space. I S space headings and E headings and paragraph dot S heading comma text level 1. G such space headings and L suggest list E L space headings 2 B R comma headings and paragraph dot HTML.
Friends, same we have to do here also. We have to change the number.
Less H2 greater.
In heading level 1 I have written less than H1 greater than. In heading level 2 I have written less. H2
greater.
And I have closed the heading level 2.
This is heading level 2 less BR greater.
This is the actual text of the heading.
Less slash H2 greater.
This is the closing tag of the heading. I am saving. Let's run this code.
Creating headings and paragraph dash Google Pro heading level 2. This is heading level 2.
Heading level 2. This is heading level 2. Let's check the formatting of this second heading.
Times New Roman 18 pt black on white bold line left.
Okay friends, for second heading Pixel has applied 18 pt.
Times New Roman 18 pt black on white bold line left. Heading level 1. This is heading level 1. Times New Roman 24 pt black on white bold line left.
Friends, you note down first heading has applied 24 pt and second heading has applied.
Heading level 2. This is heading level 2. Times New Roman 18 pt black on white bold line left.
Second heading has applied 18 pixel. Okay friends.
Headings and paragraph less slash body greater.
I am creating last heading here.
Less. Blank. H suggest list H3 comma property level 1. Headings and paragraph greater. Less. Less H blank.
Here I am writing hello world.
HELLO space head dot lit head D world space BR comma proper headings and paragraph dot HTML editor. Less H3 greater. Hello world less BR greater. Less slash H3 greater.
Okay friends.
Hello world less H3 greater.
Opening tag less H3 greater.
Hello less slash H3 greater.
And this is the closing tag of the HTML.
Creating headings and heading level 3 hello world.
This is the heading level 3 hello world.
Heading level 2. This is heading level 2. Heading level 3 hello world.
Friends, let's check this formatting. Heading level 3 how much pixel has applied.
Times New Roman 14 pt black on white bold line left.
Okay friends, heading level 3 has applied 14 pt.
Times New Roman 14 pt black on white bold line left.
This is the smallest in heading.
Headings and less slash body greater. Less. Blank.
Okay friends, I am creating fourth heading also.
H suggest list H3 comma H4 comma headings greater less. Less H4 greater blank. T S this space I suggest space headings and E headings and paragraph dot N suggest Eden. H E A D I N such G space L suggest list V E L space headings 4 B suggest list R level 1 BR headings and paragraph dot.
Friends, I am creating another two headings.
Less slash H4 line less blank. H suggest H3 comma H5 comma headings and greater less H5 greater blank. TMLs list space headings and R E markup A headings and paragraph dot E language BR comma headings and paragraph dot HTML.
And I am creating last heading.
Less slash H5 greater line feed less blank. H suggest list H1 comma property 6 H6 comma prop headings and paragraph dot 8 slash less H blank. Suggest level milliliters B suggest list R level 1 BR comma prop headings and paragraph dot HTML edit.
Okay friends, I have created 6 headings here.
Creating headings and paragraph dash creating headings and paragraph. This is page.
Friend, this is page, this is the paragraph.
Hello HTML.
This is also paragraph.
Welcome to web development.
Welcome to web development. This is also third paragraph.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
And this is the fourth paragraph.
Heading level 1. This is heading level 1.
This is heading level 1.
Heading level 2. This is heading level 2.
Friends, let's check what alignment has applied for these all headings.
Heading level 1. This is heading level 1. Times New Roman 24 pt black on white bold align left.
Okay friends, this heading level 1 has applied left alignment.
Heading level 2. This is heading level 2. Times New Roman 18 pt black on white bold align left.
Okay friends, I think all the headings has applied left alignment only. In heading, we have to change the alignment if we want to change them. But in headings, one alignment we don't have, that is justify alignment we don't have. This value we don't have in headings. Just we have 3 values. That attribute is same. I am not going to use that attributes. If you want to use, you can use. Friends, in this video I have discussed how to create paragraphs and headings. In next video I will discuss about fonts. If you have understood this video, please like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.
Yeah.